How to start a generator, best in Strong BS1800. Hi, welcome to Epinoid channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a power generator. To start, make sure that the generator has enough gasoline in the tank. Next is to check the engine oil. Make sure that it has enough oil to avoid engine damage. Turn on the power generator switch. Turn on the fuel lever. Then move the choke lever to the open position. Then start pulling the generator starter rope. When the generator starts to run, move the choke lever back to its normal position. This power generator is 1000 watts and has 220 volts output. Now, let's test this generator if it's really working properly. It works. I bought this generator for around 13,000 plus pesos. I hope this video helps you. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Epinoid Tutorial TV now.